You know, I can't believe it, but we've got another lockpick set designed by Noob. You know, I can't even find time to go to the bathroom or change my socks, and Noob's running around working with multi-pick, designing new pick sets left and right. This one is called the Noob. It is the Elite 10 Duo Peak pick set. So it sells for 59 euros. That works out to about $73. And there's a couple of his older picks that he designed and two brand new designs. Let's pull everything out, take a close look, see what he's come up with now. You know, I got to tell you, it's kind of nice to find a kit that doesn't have like 50 picks in it and sell for 250 euros. You know, that's refreshing. And I think it's pretty clear this kit is designed for new pickers. It is a very small case. This is leather, by the way, with a snap closure. So pretty high quality case. This thing's not going to fail you. Everything, as you saw, came right out here with plenty of room. If you want to add a few more picks, there's plenty of room for that. A lot of these picks I think you've seen before, particularly these three guys. So this is probably the most common size. It is the PN06. The closest one, I think, from the SS Dev collection to the medium hook. Everything on these typical stainless steel, 25 thousandths or 0.6 millimeter in thickness. They're sandwiched handles against, as I said, stainless steel. Kind of cool. Got the multi-pick logo, and then on each of them they also have the part number, date of manufacture, and they're all uniquely serial number, which is really, really unusual. So anyway, we get a hook, which I think new pickers would find useful, but more pickers, more often than not, they kind of build their skills using rakes, and we've got kind of a unique selection of rakes here. They, you know, from a distance like this, they look like a selection of 2, 3, 4, and 5 hump Bogotas, but they're not. There's more to it than that. These are Noob's design, and this first one he calls the, let's see if I get this right, they call this one the Monith, and it was the first one he came out with, a double humper, but you noticed the humps are different heights. Just like bitting and a lock, they're rarely all the same. There usually are some variation between high-low, high-low. So we got the Monith to address that with. And if that doesn't work, you have one he called the Abona. And I use this one a lot for rocking locks. Again, we got that high-low, high-low theme going. Works great. And now we've got two brand new picks. As I said, I don't know where he finds all the time to do this. Let's take a look at this guy first, because he used the 3-humper, and he calls this one the Druim. And I know I've probably got the pronunciation wrong on this, but I did look it up in a Gaelic dictionary online, and Druim means back or ridge, or it also means a group that works together cooperatively to get something done. And so there's your group that's cooperating to open up locks. You got that high-low, high type thing going. So there's your 3-humper version. So we've got 2, 4, and 3, and of course you're going to need a 5. And this one they call the Telu. And again, using that same Gaelic dictionary, Telu is a word for family. And there's your family of peaks again with that high-low, high-low, high-low type. This one is going to work great for rocking. This is probably the ultimate rocking tool. Anyway, you got that going. And then we got a good selection of tensioners, which new pickers oftentimes don't realize these are probably just as important as these when it comes to picking locks. Getting the right tensioner sometimes can be difficult. So we've got a selection of 5 different ones here. We've got 2 that are the same width, but we have different lengths. A lot of times some people like a flexi type reaction, some like it a little bit stiffer. Both of these are twisted. If you don't like the flexi, you've got one here. Actually, you got 2 that do not have a twist. So these are going to be pretty stiff. And these are also, this is as standard as those. And then this one is narrowed down for smaller keyways to get inside. There's a little bit of taper going on there. And this last guy is kind of the multi-purpose. It is tapered on one end and not tapered on the other. So it's basically all in one. No twist. You could easily twist it, but why? It doesn't make a heck of a lot of sense. Anyway, as I said, I believe this is designed for new pickers. It's a good price for high quality tools. Got a little bit of everything you need, and you got every possible rake that I think a beginner could possibly want to start out with. Later on, as you improve your skills and pick up, single pin picking, there's plenty of room in this leather case to add a few more hooks to fill out your collection. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. By the way, this is the giveaway this week. If you'd like to register for the free giveaway, stick around and I'll tell you how to do it. Thanks, guys. All you need to do is navigate to locklab.com, the tribal website, and scroll down in the middle of the page. You'll see all the giveaway buttons, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the one you're looking for is the Weekend Review giveaway, purple band. Just click on it. It'll take you to the registration page. Again, scroll to the bottom, put in a good email address, so if you win, I can get in touch with you, let you know. Put in a username, doesn't matter what it is, and click Submit. When you're done, you'll get a green check mark confirming your entry. Thanks, guys.